In a step that reflects a qualitative transformation in the path of healthcare, the role of the private health sector continues to grow as a key partner in shaping the future of health in the Sultanate of Oman. Under the theme Private Healthcare Trust Excellence Partnership, the annual Forum for Private Health Institutions 2026 was held today, presenting a scene that embodied the integration of the roles across the national healthcare system.
The importance of the private health sector, as a key partner to the Ministry of Health and the public health sector in Oman. Also to share in numbers the successes that we have all reached in the private sector in terms of the type of the services, the quality of the services, the higher levels of technologies that have been introduced into the private sector. As we all know, the private sector, health sector in Oman is a very strong partner. And each year, walillah alhamd, we see and we witness a stronger partnership.
Participants emphasized that the private health sector is no longer merely a complementary provider, but has become a fundamental pillar in developing services through investments in quality, improving performance efficiency, and enhancing the patient experience.
This gathering, we run it annually, and this time we are discussing the role of the private hospitals here in Oman and what they have done over the last 1 year. It was really a great achievement. They have seen more than 4 million patients. They have done more than 54,000 operations, successful operations. In addition, we are also concentrating and focusing on the regular auditing. We have conducted more than 9,000 auditing over the last 3 years. The private hospitals here in Oman, they are trying their best to introduce the best surfaces and the most advanced equipments. Recently, we have introduced the robotic surgery in one of the private hospitals. Also, we have a state-of-the-art rehabilitation hospital here in Oman, and gradually we are going to introduce the rest of services which are lacking in private.
With the expansion of healthcare services, partners agreed that true investments in people begins with strengthening Omanization and empowering national competencies within the private sector to ensure long-term sustainability.
We are very happy, delighted and honored to join in this event, and we renew our commitment as a private sector to best care and highest standard of service and collaboration with the private sector in Oman.
We have been able to provide the best of the care for the public and the Sultanate of Oman, the people of Oman, and we will be happy to consider supporting Ministry in the Vision 2040, which they have put across, and Apollo will always be there to support you.
Speakers also discussed enhancing regulatory and monitoring frameworks and reinforcing standards of quality and safety, aligning with the goals of sustainable health development and strengthening trust between the public and private sectors.
We are grateful to the Ministry of Health for organizing this event today. As you know, Mustashfa Muscat is the oldest hospital in Oman, the first one private. At the moment, we have about 46 full-time doctors. We have 60 visiting consultants. We are doing about 2,700 surgeries per year, and some of them are very rare surgeries.
The forum concluded with the recognition of supporting institutions delivering a clear message. Partnerships built on trust and competence are shaping a stronger and more sustainable healthcare future for Oman. The forum concluded by honoring outstanding institutions, reaffirming the vital role of the private healthcare sectors as strategic partner in advancing high-quality services and supporting the goals of Oman Vision 2040. Abdullah bin Ahmed al-Rubi'i, Sultanate of Oman Television, Muscat.